Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to sort cells alphabetically inside of Microsoft Excel. I'll also show you how to sort so that all of the corresponding columns adjust as well. For instance, first name, last name, address, etc. We'll start by looking at a list of contacts with addresses. They're completely random now, but we want to sort by our first column, which is last names. Select the first cell and then drag down to the last cell that contains data. Next, make sure that you're inside of the Home menu, and on the right, choose the drop-down next to Sort and Filter. From the list, choose Sort A to Z. If you have only one column, like only last names, it will automatically sort right away. But if we have more than one column like first names and addresses here, it will give you a sort of warning. Choosing Expand the selection will then sort the other columns along with the first. So first names will stay with our last names and everything else. If you choose Continue with the current selection, it will break our data apart. When you're ready, hit Sort and your data and columns will sort alphabetically. And that's how you sort cells alphabetically inside of Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.